Hi Gemini, this is your channel messages for the 1st of November. I'm your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader Gemini. Let's go ahead into your birth chart tarot reading spread. I don't know if I'm saying that right, Gemini, but we're reading a tarot like how we read a birth chart. That's kind of what I wanted to say to you. Besale, let's go. Okay, that will just happen to do. Okay, let's go ahead. Gemini, your channel message is the Chariot picking on you. I have to take these secrets to the grave. So I'm getting something about a police officer pick on you. Or I'm getting, you don't know that your family member is a police officer. You might not know this. But I'm also getting, I have to take these secrets to the grave. So I don't know what the police officer is covering for you, or I don't know what them are cover in order for you not to know. Okay, let's go. Gemini. Let us see. We're gonna pull everything at once. No, first 12, 6, 6. Okay. So your self-image is the Chariot. I told you. That was your message, Gemini. Your message was the Chariot picking on you. I have to take these secrets to the grave. I'm getting a deal with a police officer, you're dealing with a Cancer. Or the police officer is a Gemini. That's who you're dealing with. What is the value? The Three of Swords. Someone is heartbroken, they're upset with you. That's why he's picking on you. That's why the Cancer picking on you or the police officer picking on you. You rejected them. If only I knew who the fuck this was. I have never rejected a police officer before. I don't know who I walk and I tell Scarborough this. Who is walking and telling Toronto say I reject police officer? One police officer man did like me and I said no. Who said that? Who said that? I don't know when I walk I say oh me and this policeman for there and oh me no want there with a man. Who did tell you that? Who speak patois for translate that thing and tell you say me never me did say me no want there with the police. Me did say so? I don't even know about no. As a matter of fact, the last argument me hear about policeman and oh, him and his girlfriend used to write letters back and forth. And then, I see some letters that come in our shelter one time when we did that this one other one, and the staff open the letter them and read the letter them and leave it outside, and then the shelter read the letters to. I don't know who the letters were sent to. So I don't know if you were sending letters to somebody, they never got it. The staff read it and they left it on the table and then the whole fucking shelter read it too. So I don't know who's going around saying that I would deny officer. I just want to fuck, right? Who are telling me I'm going to deny officer? Or be getting you deny the officer, a Gemini officer? Because they're pissed. So that's why they're bullying you, because you deny them. Or you're with someone else. 3 of Cups, we have 33. So either he might bully you because you're lesbian, he might bully you because you don't want to be in a relationship, you want to be single, or me getting him a bully you because he know why you have no friend. He know why you have nothing to celebrate. I don't know what the fuck this is. What is a home? Queen of Pentacles. I'm getting him now while you're out and about and partying like a normal girl. Him while you turn housewife. Him while you stay in the house, come off of social media, put on one glasses, one wig, and cook and read the Bible. I would reject him if he was a police officer and he wanted me to do that, yes. This is actually true. Continue reading. Creativity is a Page of Swords. Productivity is a 2 of Wands. Partnership is the Sun card. Maybe somebody wants to have a baby with you also. I'm getting none of that. You want to have babies, yet you want to go on vacations every blood clot year. You're talking to me about making a family. The same way you talk, say you want to go on vacation. Is it with me or you going to tell me say I'm pregnant, I can't travel? I'm getting a policeman, you want somebody for control. And apparently the criminals in Toronto is not enough. They're uncontrollable. Or me getting a you fuck it up. Me getting a you go out with girl, a fuck girl, and all type of these things, and you left the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn at home. Oh, you give her money and expect that alone was supposed. You expect $100 supposed to buy her loyalty while you're out fucking other women. At least 3 different girls, and then you want the Taurus to sit around and wait for you. Oh, if the Taurus can you, hell is going to peel. Police station will be peeling off Taurus if she ever fuck on a police officer, Jesus Christ, I'm getting something about this baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your partnership is a Leo, your partnership is a baby. Or I'm getting you want to have a baby with somebody. Have a baby, mommy, baby, be a millionaire. Alright? Your inheritance is the King of Wands. You're getting a female baby. Or I'm getting the police officer vexed with you because you get pregnant for this man. You got pregnant for an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius man. The police officer is upset. Because either he was finished in this house. He was gonna be right back. When he got back, you were a pregnant woman. I don't know if you were a taken woman, but I'm getting you were pregnant. I'm getting the police, the cancer never like that. So no, they must spite you or they must spite your child. So I don't know if your child is going to preschool, middle school, getting one police officer or some people at school stalk your child, or because when you were younger you never dealt with this police officer man. So now you might pick on your child with the man where you had that you chose over him. Your philosophy is a 2 of Pentacles. Your ambition is a 5 of, yeah, me getting you get spite. And you don't know why I get spite. You don't know how to make this better. You can't make it better. You already had a baby for this man. Or me getting you're going to have a baby for a Sagittarius, or you had a baby for a Sagittarius. Now the Cancer was fucking also, but he did not in anybody to have a baby. So I'm getting that's why I get picked on. Because you did not have a baby for this Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, because you have a baby for him, or because you reject the Cancer. That one for telling you where you do, where you go, how you dress, you're not papi show, right? Let's see what your community is. The Tower card. So shit's about to hit the fan. I don't know. I'm getting you fucking with the child, you're fucking with the father of the child, you're fucking with the woman. Me getting the kid can't go school, the kid can't get no benefit. Me don't know which police officer this. Me getting you spite the whole blood clot family because the girl reject you. But I feel like the girl rejected because the girl thought that you were a heartbreaker, which you are. We can't deny the fact that you haven't breaking a lot of women's heart and you got away with it because you were a police officer. But me getting you want somebody to change them. Me getting this is who you like to party with, but you want a girl who you would like to sit on her yard and don't do nothing. And she's like, no. And I guess as a police officer, you don't really hear that. So you didn't like that. So it's either you try to get her pregnant, or me getting one other man interested in her, and you spite the man, you spite the man kid, you spite her kid, or because you're still mad because somebody else impregnated her before you. Because you was a controlling ass mother who like to fuck all lots of bitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, one more, the Lovers card, 12, Gemini. So again, in the beginning, my channel thing was the Chariot picking on you. I have to take these secrets to the grave. That's why they're picking on you, because they're in love with you. They wanted to be with you. I never, anyone said that I would never pick an officer. I never say that. I would never say that. If a criminal break into my house right now, I would be calling Peel Police Station just to see which officer arrives. I did not say that. I never said that. Anyone said that I would never give Peel officers my... I never said that. I would never say something like that. Never. But when I pulled the card for you last night, me get the Chariot picking on you. So you know what, they might pick on you because they like you. And if this is not it could be because you like one Sagittarius man. They might pick on you. Maybe the Sagittarius man is the man who wants them to pick on you. I put an alkaline. Alkaline, I mean, the police them must out your blood clot. It's alkaline. Could be alkaline. Lying. Maybe it's not alkaline. Bright future. When the person have a bright future like alkaline, the star card, he could be a celebrity like alkaline. He could have won awards like alkaline. Virgo. Something about a Virgo police officer, one Virgo man. One more. No phones allowed. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time. Goodbye.